There's VPN applications out there, and today we pretty much looking at it and pretty much show you how to use it like a pro. So stay tuned. Watch the full video.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Go back to my channel. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the VPN application. Nothing hard for you to not understand. So with the VPN Plus option, you get pretty much everything as you can see down here. And if I tap on it, we'll just get into the subscription page. So if you want the VPN Plus option, these are pretty much the prices. And the next option is the Proton Unlimited subscription, which gives you pretty much everything across the board for the application, not just their application, their mail, calendar, drive, everything. So if you want that option, but the VPN Plus is pretty much just the VPN only. So that's pretty much it for that there. And the country section, this is pretty much where you go to look at or pretty much select the server. If you do not have a subscription, you're gonna have to look at these servers. But if you do have a subscription, you can pretty much select any one of these servers, and let me tell you, they have almost all servers for all countries. But sadly, I don't see my country, which is Jamaica. They do have a server for Jamaica, but they have server for almost all countries. Not gonna lie. Also, you have different connection modes or different connections which you can browse the internet even more safer. So you have secure core, which is pretty much, as you can see earlier, you have connection which even more secure than just normal connection. And you can just tap on the info section here to pretty much it explain what it is. And you have the P2P option here, and here you can pretty much tap on the information section here, and it pretty much tell you what it is for torrenting and so forth. You have the tour option as well, which is tour servers. As you can see here, it pretty much tells you what it is. And yeah, so if you're going on a darknet, this VPN is pretty much good for you. So as you can see here, these are all the servers. So not much servers, but yeah, good amount of servers. You have a profile option here, which you can pretty much use for streaming website bypasses, gaming servers, and as you can see here, security servers for school and so forth. So if you want more information, you can always tap on the information option if you still don't understand, and pretty much tap on more. So that's pretty much it for that. So if you want servers for Netflix, you can just tap on the streaming option there where it says Stream USA will give you servers for Netflix, all those streaming websites. So that's pretty much for that there. Now, to connect to this VPN, you won't be able to have the option to select any server, but it will just select a server automatically for you. So if I tap on this icon here, it will pretty much give you our explanation as to what servers will be available for you to connect free, but you won't be choose them. We'll just automatically connect to our server. So let me just tap on connect real quick, and we'll start protecting my digital identity. And once it's connected, you're pretty much good to go. So my internet connection is a bit off, so it may take a long while to connect. So, but it's working, guys. Connects very fast, but my internet connection is pretty much off. But you can always tap on change servers on this option here, and you can change between next location if that location is a bit shaky, and it can change again for some time. As you can see here, I have to wait until that time has expired before I can change it to a different server. But however, you cannot just select on the server manually. Let's say you want to connect to Canada, you cannot do that, but you can however change the servers. So that's pretty much it for that there. In the settings option here, you have the net shield option and the split tunneling, which pretty much select whichever application you don't want to get a VPN connection and which you do. Kill switch would pretty much kill all connections and so forth. You have the protocol option here, which entails a whole lot different type of connection mode, which I cannot go through in this one tutorial, but all of them do come with their explanation. with each of them. As you can see here, I do explain each of these protocols or connection modes. So that's pretty much it for that there. And you have the VPN accelerator, pretty much increase the VPN speed, and you have settings and different type of stuff which pretty much explain the different connections and so forth. But if you're just a regular VPN user, you do not need to go through all of those stuffs. Once you're just browsing online and you're just going by a day, you can pretty much just connect to your server and you're good to go. We'll do the rest for you. So that's really pretty much it for this VPN, and if I've missed anything at all, please comment below. There are some features that I haven't gone through, but if you want any questions on that, you can always comment below. I'd love to help you guys. I want to say, guys, make sure to subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell. See you guys in the next one.